In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bulk photos to Google Drive from your computer, whether you're looking to back up vacation memories, share important files, or simply need extra storage. Google Drive makes it easy to manage your photos all in one place. Let's get started. First things first, navigate to your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your Google account. You'll notice the familiar Google Drive interface welcoming you to your online storage space. This is where all your files, folders, and photos will live in the cloud. The process we're walking through today utilizes the web app, which is quite intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're on the homepage of Google Drive, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Here you will see a button labeled New, which is the gateway to uploading and creating files in Google Drive. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear displaying a variety of options for adding content to your drive. This menu allows you to create folders, connect to applications, and most importantly for this tutorial, upload files directly from your computer. In that drop-down menu, you'll want to click on File Upload. When you select this, a window will pop up allowing you to browse through the files on your computer. This is where you can choose the photos you wish to upload to your drive. The key here is to streamline your selection process, especially if you're dealing with a large number of photos. To do this efficiently, go to the folder where your photos are stored. Click on the first photo you want to upload, then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. As you hold the Shift key, click on the last photo in the range you wish to select. This action allows you to highlight a continuous sequence of photos, making it quicker to select everything you need. After you've selected all the photos for upload, click the Open button on the window. Doing so will initiate the uploading process. You'll see a progress indicator in the bottom right corner of your screen showing upload progress. Google Drive is quite efficient, so depending on your internet speed and the number of photos, the upload should complete quickly. And there you have it, your photos are now safely stored in Google Drive, accessible from anywhere and easily shareable with just a few clicks. Whether you're organizing personal pictures or a collection for work, Google Drive provides a reliable solution to ensure your photos are backed up securely. Thank you for following along and happy uploading.